As a data analyst at AdventureWorks, your team is responsible for analyzing vast amounts of data to gain insights into customer behavior and improve business operations. Microsoft Power Query is an essential tool in data analysis workflow, enabling you to transform and integrate data from various sources. You heavily rely on Microsoft Power BI for your daily tasks, preparing reports for business units by connecting to data sources and performing extract, transform, and load operations. Since AdventureWorks strive for optimal efficiency and results, your manager, Adi O'Quinn, has assigned you the task to research best practices for specific configurations, performance preferences, security, and other related topics to ensure the most optimal use of Power BI in your work. Over the next few minutes, you'll be introduced to best practices when working with data sources in Power BI, and also understand why these practices are important to implement. Let's start by exploring how you and your team can apply best practices to enhance your Power Query workflows and improve data quality and analysis. Your first step is to plan and document your data transformation requirements. You define the desired output, identify the relevant data sources, and outline the transformations needed. You also ensure that data source credentials are properly documented and securely stored. By maintaining an organized and consistent approach, your team can streamline your Power Query process and avoid confusion. Next, you carefully select the appropriate connector to connect to your data sources. You consider factors such as the type and location of the data source, the volume of data, and the available connectivity options. With Power BI's wide range of connectors, you can seamlessly connect to databases, cloud services, files, and APIs. It is important that you evaluate the performance capabilities and scalability of the connectors to ensure optimal performance for your data requirements. Considering the performance and optimization of your data transformations and calculations, your team follows the principle of do expensive operations last. You prioritize and schedule resource-intensive operations towards the end of the data transformation process. This approach ensures that complex calculations, merging large data sets, and applying multiple transformations on a significant number of rows are executed efficiently, leading to faster data loading and more responsive reports. Your team also pays attention to data type selection for columns, aiming to improve performance and data accuracy. You review and adjust the inferred data types manually, preventing incorrect data interpretations and reducing memory consumption. Data profiling plays a crucial role in your team's data analysis process. You leverage Power BI's data profiling capabilities to gain a comprehensive understanding of data quality, structure, and distribution. By examining aspects such as completeness, accuracy, uniqueness, and consistency, you identify potential issues and anomalies within the data set. This proactive approach enables you to make informed decisions about data cleaning, transformation, and enrichment, ultimately improving data quality. To ensure smooth data processing, your team implements error handling techniques, such as conditional logic and custom error messages. You also incorporate data validation checks to identify and handle unexpected data inconsistencies effectively. The next best practice is to consider your merge strategy. When merging or joining multiple queries, you consider the most efficient merge strategy, selecting inner joins whenever applicable. You remove redundant fields to avoid unnecessary duplicate columns in the resulting merge query. To maintain an organized work environment, your team utilizes groups as containers for your queries. You create nested groups when needed and easily move queries between groups by dragging and dropping them. Regularly reviewing and removing unnecessary steps in the Power Query editor is another practice you follow. Removing unused or redundant transformations helps improve processing time and simplifies query maintenance. Monitoring the performance of your Power Query workflows is an ongoing task for your team. You evaluate the refresh speed, resource consumption, and overall efficiency. By fine-tuning query settings, such as parallel loading or data load options, you optimize performance based on your specific requirements. Following these best practices when working with Power Query will enable you to effectively shape and transform your data while maintaining data integrity, improving performance, and streamlining your workflows. Remember, consistent documentation, efficient data filtering, error handling, and optimization techniques are key to achieving reliable and efficient data transformations with Power Query. Embrace these practices, adapt them to your specific requirements, and continue exploring new features and capabilities to become a Power Query expert.